Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you will be doing great. So today we are back with another video and let's start off this video with some cashmere blend wrap. This one's from Banana Republic. You know, this one would make a really nice gift. Loving the colors and I'm loving the material. Banana Republic is actually a really good brand. I'm loving the price here as well. Look at this beautiful blue, comes with all different kinds of shades. This is a little more darker. It's a perfect Christmas gift. Currently has $5 off in additional saving. So the final price comes out to 17.98. I am not sure why these were marked a little lower, but I'm liking it. I'm not complaining. One size fits all. It has wardrobe essential and it has some French detail in here. It's super cute, would make a great gift especially for this upcoming Christmas. And in case you have been looking for some Christmas sweaters, here is couple of different options. These are beautiful. Look at this, loving all the details. This one has Christmas trees on it. This one has snowflakes and the little reindeers, and it's a little dark blue plus some white color combination. Seems like this one's selling out a little more and I don't blame them. It's really nice actually. 17.98 here at Sam's Club. I am seeing all different sizes becoming available except for the blue one. Blue one seems like it's selling out very quick. These Aula containers are also really nice. These are specifically for water because they are leak proof. They are very easy to clean and even have hygienic straw. So as you can see, they have a couple of different color combinations. They are really nice. 21.98 is the price here at my local Sam's Club. Now as you can see, there is a couple of different colors you can choose from. They have a hygienic flip straw, colored straw, leak proof, diluted stainless steel, and they are also BPA from a very easy to clean and can maintain your beverages 24 hours cold if that's what you wish. But a couple different options. These are also great if you want to fill up your stocking with useful items. I would probably lean towards something like this. And in the frozen food section, I found these cheese bread, though now it seems like they have the jalapeno. They have one with bacon and one that is simply multi-purpose, and it seems like it's the original. So these are gluten free, sugar free and soy free. It's about 40 to 45 pieces per bag, selling at 13.58. It's from the brand Gusto Brazil. And let's see here the calories, starting off with the original one. So it seems like you can put this in the oven or even the air fryer. So serving size for 2 rolls, it's around 110 calories. I will leave you guys. There are the rest of the information there. You have the ingredients now. These items do contain milk and egg, and next we have these jalapeno one. It's around the same calories, 110 calories, 5 grams of fat, 14 grams of carbs and 2 grams of protein. So these were the quick updates for today and I will see you in the